Hey everybody, Chris Fisher, Product Team Manager at Garden State Tile, here to talk to you about everything you need to know about porcelain countertops, specifically Crossville porcelain countertops or CPC. We want to highlight the key features that are important to you, the consumer, those being cleanability, durability, they're fire resistant, stain resistant, and they won't chip or scratch easy. And why is that? That's because they are porcelain. And porcelain is one of the greatest building materials there are. Just like this 12 by 24 tile right here, our countertops are made from the same raw materials. And the key to porcelain, it has a water absorption rate of less than 0.5%. It doesn't absorb water, it doesn't mean it stains. And you can go back and watch some of our videos where we put them through a stain test, we lit them on fire, we smacked them with pans and knives, and you can really see that what we're talking about is true. We've been selling these for over a year, and we've put them in our showrooms and we've beaten them up, and they've stood the test of time. So that's the cool part about porcelain countertops. Let's talk about looks. So porcelain, the great thing is digital printing, and you can get all types of different styles and looks, from white marble that you see here in the kitchen, to cement looks, and to just plain, clean, white, modern, sleek looks. Again, all depending on the style and taste for your kitchen or your bathrooms. The other options that you can look at are your different types of edge finishing. So here we've got a couple examples of a clean, modern, sleek, flat polished edge. And then we have different miters. You can go with a big buildup, a smaller buildup, and you can even do a waterfall finish. So again, porcelain doesn't limit the type of edge options you have. You can go sleek and modern, or you can go with the more traditional with the mitered edges. Let's talk about tension. So in a traditional tile, when it's pressed in a mold, it puts a lot of tension in a tile. And when you're speaking of regular size, 12 by 24, 24 by 24, that's not a big deal. But when you're talking about these large, thick slabs, having tension in the slab will cause problems during fabrication. It makes it very difficult for your fabricator to get a good clean edge, particularly when they're doing miters or waterfall edges. Having a tensionless slab like CPC allows them to get a nice, smooth, clean cut and a really tight miter. So again, that's what the difference is between Crossville porcelain countertops and competing porcelain countertops brands. It all comes down to how it's pressed and making that tensionless slab. So let's talk about applications for porcelain countertops. There's really no limitation to where they can be used. From kitchens to bathrooms, indoor, outdoor. Again, because they're porcelain and don't absorb water, you don't have to worry about freeze-thaw climates, exposing them to extreme heats of kitchens. Again, there's really no limit to porcelain countertop applications, and that's why we love them at Garden State Tile. So again, just to kind of recap for you guys, porcelain countertops, easy to clean, extremely durable, won't scratch or chip. They're fire resistant, stain resistant, come in a wide range of colors and finishes. You can do all types of different edges and finishes depending on your style for your kitchen or bathrooms. And again, they can go indoor, outdoor, wherever you want to put them. Crossville porcelain countertops are the best.